Hey guys, your Teeny Dragon Amperthon 5 back again with another review. And this time is on the poseable Indoraptor from Mattel. So yeah, I got it. I got it last year when I went to Universal Studios. I was about to make a video there, but I deleted it. It was pretty fun. Then my mom got me this Indoraptor from Fallen Kingdom, as you know, is the main villain in Jurassic World, Fallen Kingdom. Camera. And yeah, this guy's very poseable. Here, there, arms, head, mouth, and tail. So a little history about him. He was made by some people in the Lockwood Manor thing. I don't know. I haven't watched the movie forever, for a few months. He like the smaller version of the Indominus Rex. That, although there's going to be a new Indominus Rex Mattel toy they're going to release. I'll put a picture over there. Yeah, it looks like that. It looks pretty cool. By the way, let's go back on this guy. So he's basically a bio weapon system, a weapon thing that you use in warfares or war. Like because I think his skin or scales are indestructible. Like you can't shoot bullets at this guy. If you did watch the movie, comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay. I think we'll make this a double Lego review on Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon: The Hidden World. Get out of the way. Sorry. So yeah. I also got from Target. It was like $13. I forgot. Well, it's a good toy. That doesn't move. The arms don't move that well. Good face though. I've seen a video that a person named Silverwillowwing. I'm sorry that I mispronounced your name, but she said that this Toothless is the best one he ever got, and she's kind of right. If you know her, again, comment down below. And this is the Toothless. And those wings there. And as you wonder, this is his new prosthetic tail. It's not grown back. You can see the details over there. Yeah, he looks pretty scaly and shiny. He looks pretty cute. And this is actually my favorite Toothless toy this toy ever, but this one's so cool because of articulation. Well, so goodbye everyone for watching this YouTube video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you later. Signing off.